Good morning, guys. Happy Vlogmas day 4. It is about 11 a.m. I think right now. Oh yeah, it's almost 11. It's 10:50. So I got up a little bit ago, got my day started. I have to figure out what to crochet today until my yarn comes in to finish orders. So yeah, I want to start prepping some stuff for the craft fair next week. I might make some Christmas trees maybe. I don't know, I feel like I'm Christmas treed out, but I might just make some of them to have in stock because I feel like those will be good sellers for Christmas time. So maybe I'll work on a few of those today. Hey guys, so it's like 12:30 now and I've accomplished nothing today. I don't even know. I've just been like chilling and hanging out, but I kind of want to like get my craft room a little bit clean today. I want to I want to make like a little area where I can put some bins to like put stuff that I'm planning to restock in. So I kind of want to clear off some of these shelves over here. Like this is all my shipping stuff, and I think I'm gonna go ahead and put my shipping stuff over in like this cart I have here. So I want to clean out this cart because it's just a bunch of sewing supplies, and I want to make it like a shipping station cart that I can kind of move around, just have close by me. So I'm going to try to empty that out and put that stuff away, and then put my shipping supplies in there, and then maybe I can use the closet shelves. I can use these closet shelves to put some bins on. Even over there I can like clear that off too. I can put some bins on to kind of like house stuff, and then maybe eventually I'll get some bookshelves to put in here, or just more shelves to put in here, and I can like put my stuff that I have for orders that is like pre-made in there. So we're gonna work on that. Alright, I finished clearing out this cart, so now I'm going to go ahead and fill it up with my shipping supplies. Alright, so I built my little shipping station cart here. I got my business cards, thank you cards, tape measure, scissors, and then I have shipping labels and like customs bags. Down here is all my tissue paper, bubble wrap, tape, and then down here I just have all my poly mailers, bubble mailers, and such. So yeah, that'll be nice because it'll be next to my desk now, and I can kind of move it wherever I need to. Over here, I just kept my boxes on that shelf because like I don't really know where to put them. Up here I might put a few bins for like stuff that I have made already. And yeah, I need to work on cleaning everything else in this room, but I think I need to get some more shelves for in here at some point when I'm not in pain. So yeah, this will definitely be nice if I have more shelves of these. I think that'll be nice to store some products and stuff in. I know I have safety eyes I want to throw in there, and like some other stuff. Alright, so in here I just put all my like stuffy sticks. I have all my safety eyes that I made in here, and then I have a bunch of scrunchies in this one. These are empty right now because I don't have anything else to put in them. Once I get more stock, I want to like divide these up by like scrunchie color and like size of safety eye, but for now that works for what I need to do until I'm able to get more shelves for in here and more bins and stuff and organize everything a little bit better. But this will do for now. I'm tired now, so I'm gonna go ahead and sit on the couch and work on crocheting a few more Christmas trees for the craft fair until my yarn gets in and I can finish some orders. Guys, so it's almost 5 o'clock now. I went to the post office and dropped off the packages that I had to ship. My yarn still hasn't come yet. It said it was gonna be here at 3:30, but they lied, so yay. But anyway, I just had dinner, so I'm gonna go ahead and make some Christmas trees, I think. My internet is running so slow right now. I've been trying for the last half an hour to download my video footage from yesterday because I uploaded it to Google Drive from my phone because I've been vlogging on my phone because it's just easier. But it's literally been taking like 30 minutes to download from Google, and I only had like 11 video files. Like, it's only like 2 gigabytes. Like, I don't know why it's running so slow, but I wanted to edit yesterday's Vlogmas video and get that uploaded. But yeah, it's taking forever. It is 6:20 right now. I'm just punching holes into the rest of my tags that I never finished doing the other day. I printed out and cut out a bunch of new like tags and stuff for craft fairs and such, so I'm just kind of hole punching them so that they're ready to go for when I need to price more stuff. I did start making a Christmas tree earlier. I didn't get too far on it though, so once I'm done editing this video, I'm probably gonna go watch some TV and work on that a bit more tonight. Alright you guys, I just finished editing my Vlogmas video for yesterday, so hopefully I can upload that soon. It is like 6:45 now. My yarn was delivered. I just got the notification, so once I get this video uploaded, I'm gonna go outside and grab my package, and then we can finish our chickens. Oi, okay, I gotta go check on baby. He's crying. I've been messing around with this video for like an hour. It's like 7:30 now because a song that I used got copyrighted or something, even though I've used it before in my other videos because I downloaded it from the YouTube Studio, but whatever. So I was like trying to replace it in YouTube Studio, but then it messed up all my audio, so now I'm just re-exporting it to re-upload it because I can't deal with this nonsense. So annoying. But hopefully I can get this done. My yarn came, so I want to crochet. I think I'm gonna go make some hot chocolate because that sounds good. I have some pumpkin pie in the fridge I'm gonna eat, and I'm gonna watch some Gilmore Girls and crochet the rest of my chickens and just relax because baby boy is finally asleep right now, so I'm gonna definitely take the opportunity to get some work done and just relax while he is down for the count because I know he's gonna be wide awake at 11 p.m. like always because he wakes up from 11 and he won't go to bed till like 2 or 4. It's just the routine we're in right now, so yeah, definitely gonna take the next few hours to chill for a bit. Theoretically I should sleep, but it's fine, I just sleep all day. Alright you guys, I got my Michael's order. Hold on. Alright you guys, I got my Michael's order finally, so I'm gonna open this up. I feel like this isn't all the yarn I ordered, but we'll see. So yeah, I finally got my Michael's order. What? I'm talking to a video. I got more of this lilac, more pink because I was out of that, and more mustard. And then I also got the 2 that I needed to make the rest of the chickens. I just ordered 2 of them because they had a sale going on, buy 2 get 1 free. I think I have another one that I'm missing, so I thought I bought 6, so I think that might be coming in a different order, but yay. I just finished my pie. I'm drinking my hot chocolate right now, and I have Gilmore Girls on. I'm gonna work on these 2 speckled chickens and then maybe work on the rest of that Christmas tree I started earlier today. But we're getting some baby snuggles in right now because he was fussing, so we're just relaxing, watching some Gilmore Girls for now. This is the only way I could get him to stop crying. He wants to cling to me, so we're wearing him. But I finished one chicken body, so I'm gonna go ahead and work on the other chicken body now. Hey guys, so it's about 10:30 now. I finished the 2 speckled chickens, so now this order is ready to go. I have 2 orders that ordered like the exact same thing, so that's fun. But let's go ahead and package these up. Well, I guess I'm only shipping one of these orders right now because I had to message one of the customers because they didn't put a correct address. There was no house number, they just put a street name, so we're gonna wait for an update on that. But I'll package the one order that I can package, so. Alright guys, it's like 11:30. I'm gonna hop in the shower and get ready for bed. But that is gonna be all for this video today. I hope you guys are enjoying Vlogmas. Be sure to subscribe. I will be uploading every single day until Christmas this month, so be sure to follow along. But I'll see you guys tomorrow for another video. Bye.